What is going on, Ape Nation? So today I've got a video that I'm very happy to deliver to each and every one of you. Why do I say that? Well, because it pertains to somebody losing a ton of money. Not me, not you. It would be the enemy. The enemy has lost a lot of money, and I'm going to report to you on that today. But before I can do that, please, oh please go ahead, smash that thumbs up button if you want to piss Ken Griffin off, because you know what? He hates it when these videos are shared with a whole lot of apes, and that's exactly what the YouTube algorithm is going to do when you guys smash that like button. And of course, for the love of God, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and do so, because I drop content just like this every single day. But enough of that, let's go ahead and talk. Let's talk about Ken Griffin. You guessed it, that's exactly who I was talking about. He just lost a ton of money, and apparently this money was lost because of decisions that he made in November and December. He decided to shuffle some things around from one of his funds to another. He decided to go short on IAG, which is the owner of British Airways. Now, why would Ken Griffin do this? We all thought he was a god, or at least the crazies in the comments section that thought that Ken Griffin was a god and he would never lose money on a position. Well, I hate to break it to you, but it appears that even Ken Griffin can lose money on a position. And we saw this happen already last year in January when, he lost a lot of money and the buy button for AMC, GME, and some other stocks got taken away. Well, this is no different, except he didn't take away the buy button here because he did not have the power to do so. But this is just history repeating itself again, and guess what? History always repeats itself. So we're going to see this happen over and over and over in our lifetime. Ken Griffin will continue to lose money because he's not the ultimate trader, and because, well, he is the ultimate trader, but he's not the ultimate trader, if you know what I mean. In his equipment, his technology, apparently it's not the best, as some of the haters in the freaking comments section were thinking, because it didn't do him any justice on this trade. But Ken Griffin, he decided to short British Airways. And then not too long after that, some data came out that was actually the opposite of what Ken Griffin was expecting for it to reveal. He was counting, he was betting, okay, he was gambling. He was counting on the data that would be soon coming out about the Omicron variant to pretty much cause some turbulence in the airline stocks, okay? And this is a British bet. We're talking about pounds here and not dollars. And we're talking about a multi-million pound bet that Ken Griffin just took a spanking on. It would appear that what he thought would happen, that the Omicron variant would put a dent in British Airways, well, it just didn't. So now he's paying, well, excuse me, he paid the ultimate price. And anytime Ken Griffin loses money, I'll be here silently laughing about it in my head, because I know that you guys can laugh out loud while watching this video. So do me a favor and laugh a few times out loud for me and for the rest of your ape brothers and sisters, because this is funny as hell. Every time he loses money, well, it's a time for us to rejoice. Not one, but two of Griffin's accounts hold short positions against British Airlines to the tune of about 130 million pounds. This is a lot. And Ken Griffin, well, you know, he made a mistake, and now he's paying for that mistake.
Truck commander, we just got water on our wheel